sir, probably you have seen the Supreme Court judgment about the negative voting, and you were one of the earliest persons to initiate this type of discussions in India. Can you recollect and how you started this initiative, and who are all people involved in this?
It's very simple. We have had a very outstanding, one of the outstanding trustees we had was Mr. A.K. Venkat Subramaniam, former IAS officer who joined me in the consumer movement and in the Catholic Church. When he met T.S. Krishnamurthy, Chief Election Commissioner in 2001, Krishnamurthy said, we were all very frustrated about the way elections were being held, and so he said, why don't you ask people who don't want to vote under 49-0? So Mr. Subramaniam came, brought it, and we had a big campaign starting from 2004 to very recently, holding seminars, discussions, press meetings, and all these, whatever is possible from a group from Madras, we did that. And it became very popular. In the 2004 and 2009 elections, there was significant number. When I say significant number, it was not in thousands and lakhs and all that. In the olden days, there was nobody who was using 49-0. From there, we had a few hundred in the 2004 and 2009, we had a few thousand people who didn't want to vote. I know of my own daughter who wanted to vote under 49-0. She was actually a fearless person, and therefore she managed to vote in both the election in this manner. A very large number of people will do this, and we feel rather privileged and very, very happy. I feel as though a large amount of cash has been given to me yesterday after the Supreme Court ruling. I felt like a Kodiswaran.
On the judgment, now what will happen if the winner gets a lower percentage than the NOTA?
My impression is today, as per the law, whoever gets the largest number of votes will be elected as the candidate. But that is not correct actually. From yesterday we have already started moving that there should be a change in the law. There should be a change in the rule or law, depending on where it should be changed. That in case the NOTA number exceeds the largest number of votes gained by the winning candidate, the election should be cancelled and null and void. This is something that needs to be done, and we are already at it, and I'm sure we will have to go through the normal process, because
a landmark judgment, will it lead to evolution for a proportionate representation or something like that?
It will lead to revolution. I'm not sure about evolution. It will definitely lead to revolution, because the young people who have never wanted to vote, I heard from the Trichy meeting, a very large number of people came to attend the meeting, but they were not really participating and saying they are going to join any political party. They wanted to know what is it this new person is going to do. And if it is successful, maybe they will do it. But what we would like to tap on, the Supreme Court has ordered that the Election Commission should spend adequate money in popularizing this 49-0. Person will know they have to go and vote in order to establish and reinstate democracy in this country. And then they have the freedom to reject all the candidates if they don't like it. If this happens in the forthcoming election from the end of this year in all the 5 states and the Lok Sabha election in 2014, I can truly tell you that there will be a revolution happening in this country, and that is what we want.
Single word, how do you describe this judgment?
I would say outstanding.
So thank you very much for sharing your views.